A lot has happened in our country for the longest. For the longest. I grew up here when somebody from northeastern province is applying for a passport. It will be subjected to such a difficult process that people who served in the colonial civil service, in the King's African Rifles, and many other institutions in the country, the police force, had problems getting those passports simply because of discrimination. Now, this discrimination is akin to the apartheid of South Africa because we are not coming from outside Kenya. Nobody's telling me Garissa is a county for Kikuyus or Luos or Luyas or Kalenjins or any other community. Or he's saying Wajir is a county for other communities, not Somalis, or Mandera, or Isiolo for that matter, or Marsabit. Everybody accepts that these counties are our own indigenous, traditional, historical land that we owned for thousands of years. But again, somebody again thinks that you're not as Kenyan as anybody else. It's precisely because of the fear of that kind of a discrimination.
The Bukusus are also marginalized.
Come here.
The Bukusus are also about the community.
Now we are telling them, we're telling, look, my friend Kalonzo Musyoka, he himself is the one who told me the original name of Mwingi, where he comes from, was Farah. That town was started by a Somali trader called Farah, not less than 78 years before the British landed in our country here. All the major urban centers of Kenya were started by Somalis. And ask the community, ask your elders, ask your grandfathers if they're around. Whether it is Kericho, or it is what they call Marigat, or it is Bungoma, Olukezia, or it is Naivasha, or it is Maragua, Nyeri. We used to call in our culture Mega is Muiga. Long before the colonialists came, our people would bring animals to Muiga and go back with grains. And just because there's a community called Somali who have got a nation on the other side,